Okay, video number 10. So guys, I hope you understood everything with regarding the intervals. I just want to play a couple of intervals for you, and please listen to them carefully before I will show you how I did the exercises on the page 11. So we have second, yeah, this is the unison first. Second, third, 1, 2, 3, fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth. Then we have fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth. Then we have sixth, we have seventh, and then we have octave. Right? So this interval is a dissonant, and this one as well. Do you hear? Yeah, they don't sound really well. Then we have consonant and consonant. These two intervals, the third and the sixth, they are very beautiful. Then fourth, so fourth and fifth are very confident intervals. Yeah. All right. So that's what you need to know about the intervals. Just I want you to remember, and when you will be sight reading the pieces, try to not just read the notes, try to remember the relationships between them. So if that is the fifth or that is the third, for example, in Mozart's piece, you will have the fifth one, twinkle, twinkle, right? Then in some other pieces, you will have third, yeah, or seconds. Yeah, here's the third. So, all right, now let's proceed to the checking if you did everything correctly. So let's see. Write the note to create the required interval. Third, from F we go to A. From D we go fifth, we go to A. Then from C, octave up, we go to C. Then third, from G, we go to B. And then from E, we go to B up to here. Yeah. So EB is the fifth. Then we go from third, so write the note to create the required interval. Let's go from D to F is the third. From G, fourth up is C. Then from D seventh, it will be C. From C third, it will be E. From F, the fifth, it will be C. Now write down the name of the interval. So let's count. C, D, E, F, G. Fifth. Right? So let's count them from E. E, F, G, A, B is again fifth. Yeah, so then from F to C. F, G, A, B, C. Again fifth. Then from G to D. G, A, B, C, D. Again fifth. And here D, E, F, G, A is fifth again. Why I asked you to do all the fifths? Because first of all, I want you to remember how do they sound. Yeah. And that is the basement of the triad. I will tell you about the triad a bit later, but I want you now to remember the interval of fifth, and I want you to be able to count this interval from any note. All right, now let's go further to the next exercise. So we have CE is the third. Yeah, we count C, D, E. Then we count E, F, G, A. That is fourth. Then from F to A, F, G, A is third. From G to C, G, A, B, C is fourth. Then we have from D to D. Basically, if you have the interval from one note to another note of the same name, it always will be the octave. But we can count it as well. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. 5 and 3 is 8, so that's octave. Alright, and now it will be a bit tricky one because you need to write down the name of the interval, but the notes are located in two different clefs. So, from F to C. Yeah, let's just have a look. So we have F, the bass clef F, and then the middle C. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so that is a fifth, right? Then from A to E. Yeah, again, what's the interval? Yeah, A, which is a couple of notes lower than middle C, and E, which is a couple of notes higher than middle C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so that is fifth as well. Now from C to G. Yeah, this note is the middle C, and then we have G, and we go C, D, E, F, G again, fifth. Then we have middle C, and we have E. So what interval is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. C, E is third. And then we have G, which is just one note higher than the bass clef F. So this G, and then G is the treble clef G. And as I just told you guys, if we have G and G, that is the interval of eighth or octave. But we can count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so that is octave. Guys, please check yourself. So fifth, 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 third, and octave. And now the last line, F, and you see that this note is F. So you already can do that straight away. So that is octave. Then you have G and D. Yeah, let's count. G is the note under the middle C, so we have G, A, B, C, and here's D, which is one note higher than middle C, so this is fifth. Then we have from G to E. Let's have a look. G, which is one note higher than the bass clef F, and E, which is a couple notes higher than middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just listen how this interval sounds. Yeah, so this is sixth. Then we have E and E. Again, the same note, so this is octave. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, octave. Then we have from F to D. Let's think. Do you hear? Maybe already you can say what interval that sounds. That is sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth. If you are going through this book with your child or maybe with someone else, it would be nice if you could try to play the game Guess the Interval. So someone plays the interval and you try to guess what interval is that. Oh, that is third or second, of course, or second again, or seventh, or you can be a very confident interval, fifth, or fourth, right? Or the romantic one, sixth, or romantic one, third, right? So just try to play around with these intervals, try to play the game Guess the Interval. That will help you a lot. Okay, thank you guys, good luck.